Hey y'all, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all 3 ways that I started my knotless box braids off. On this row, each method was used, and as you can see, each braid looks bomb. And let's take the time out to just acknowledge how bomb these DIY knotless braids turned out to be. But this video is not going to be showing how to do the ombre. It's just going to focus on how to start your knotless braids off. So for the first method, I used the underhand method. The underhand method is pretty simple. All you're doing is inserting the hair between the pointer finger and the thumb. So basically it's going to go in between those 2 fingers, and then you just braid a little bit, and then just keep on adding it in between your thumb and your pointer finger, but you're going to go underneath instead of over. Also, if you would like to see my parting method, I will put in a video that I did on parting for knotless box braids in the description box. And I'll also put in a few other links for knotless braiding. And if you also are interested in purchasing a sleigh band, which is a product band that you see me using for the products and the clips, then I'll put the link to my website in there, and they are available for purchase. Now the second method I'm going to be using, I call it the side to side method. Basically, you're just going to be adding the hair in from each side. So I started off adding the hair in on my right side, and then I braided it once, and then I'm adding the hair in on the left side. And then you just continue to do this until you get it to the thickness that you want it to be. I found with this method, the hair got thick pretty quickly because you're constantly adding hair in. So it only took me about 4 times to add the hair in, which was basically 2 times on each side before I just started braiding down. Now with this method, it is a little bit more what can I say? For this method, it requires more work a little bit, because you got to make sure that you're gripping the hair really good. So this method was probably my least favorite out of all 3 methods, just because it requires like more focus and just more technique to it. And if you see me wiping the gel at the top of the braid, don't mind that. My client had oil in her hair, so the oil and the gel just weren't like mixing well together, so it was turning white. But once I wiped it off, it was fine, as you can see with the rest of the braids. But this is why we say like don't put any oils in your hair, because it'll like counteract with the gel a little bit. Now the third method is my absolute favorite. If you've ever seen any of my knotless videos, then you know this is my go-to method, the overhand method, because for me, I feel like I have more control using this method, and it's like the easiest. It gives me a better grip, and it just gives me more control. Like I said, this is my absolute favorite method. So basically with the overhand method, you're just bringing it over and you're putting it in between your thumbs, and then the hair that's on the other side, you just bring that around as well, and you're putting it in between your thumbs as well. I hope I explained that well enough. It's basically like self-explanatory. Just watch me do it, and with each method I'm going to show you a different angle of how to do them. Now look at these braids. Can you even tell that different methods were used? You really can't, because each method gives you the same outcome and they look so pretty. If you want to see another video where I'm doing the ombre knotless, then let me know. I do have one video up, but it wasn't as clear as this one is, so I think I might do another one for y'all. So now I'm just going to show y'all each method again at different angles. If you like this video, then be sure to thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber and you would like to become part of the Slay Gang, then go ahead and mash that subscribe button for me. I will have content coming every week. Every week a new video will be dropping, so be sure to tune in. And if you found this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Also comment what other type of videos you would like to see from me, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you need more, I guess if you need to look more with the methods, to continue to watch the video, because I am going to be showing every method like I said before. And thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.